i-open natin kasi basaan na to yung kanyang ilalim. Makita mo yung ilalim? Ayan.
Yes.
Ito po yung kanilang mga, ito naman ay, ayan, with the McDonald's. Wow! Ito po ay sundae. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Oh, packaging. Naiba po yung packaging niya. Ay, and this is the soft drinks, Coke one, and McFlurry. Flurry. Ayan yung ano niya. This one and this one. Ang ganda po yung ano niya. I-open natin yung laman. Wow! Look at that! Okay. And this is the other one. Ito naman po ay sundae.
It's kind of melted.
It's melted already. Oh, so you need to dig it up.
Ili, kunin mo na yun sa'yo.
And this one. Oh.
Oh!
This is the fries I've been talking to you. This one, the twister one, and the normal one. And we have also this one. Oh,
Ay, kailangan siya.
there is a cheese and lagayan. Ito. Shake mo dyan. And there is straw and the utensils. Crispy chicken fillet. And
Another one.
also, this is the other one, chicken, ganyan. And mayroon po tayong ganyan para dito. And we have this two ketchup. So, yun lang. Kakain na tayo. Kain po tayo.
Ginawa nila. Ito to.
Ito yung dalawa. Ito naman po yung single.
Yes.
Yawn.
This is a shake fries.
Ito po yung shake. You need to shake it.
Nice.
Utensils. Yeah. This one is nice and this one, you see.
Yes. Thank you, mother.
That's mine. That's mine.
That's mine. Pengi.
Kain po muna tayo. Let's eat. Sit down, Ali.
I cannot get
Kailangan imigay ka sa akin.
But that's mine. Why are you taking mine?
Now,
Sino rin siya?
we need to eat.
Tigim kayo isa.
Okay.
Sasaw niyo.
Pwede pa saw-saw? Disay ka.
Sige, sausaw mo.
Disay ko.
Sige na, i-try mo muna.
O, dito ako sa walang
Eat.
naman.
Ito daw yung nakita ni mama na sinasawsaw.
O, yan yung, yan o, isasawsaw natin.
Alright.
Yan o, sasawsaw niya dyan. Tapos, kakain. Ay, sorry. Natapon pala.
Nasa ako ni mama.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Nice, di ba?
Nilasa talaga doon. Yeah.
Kasi ito po yung kanyang design. Yan, ganda. Twister's fries. At ito yung, ayan, McFlurry na strawberry flavor. Yan, ganda. Parang may Oreo na ano, no?
Yes.
Na durog. So, yun lang. Kain po tayo. Dapat po may hawakan yan so that we can eat freely.
Shake it again. Oh, let's see. Wow! That's good.
Very good ka. Kain po
Easy.
tayo.
This one. Look, guys. It's big, it's not ice cream. It's a little strawberry.
Yan,
So
ganda,
big.
Strawberry.
So big.
I just had to let you know you're